purchased in-store. And now save 40% on the Sleep Number Special Edition Smart Bed, plus free home delivery when you add an adjustable base. Ends Monday. For J.D. Power 2023 award information, visit jdpower.com/awards. To find a store near you, visit sleepnumber.com.
We've been driving for 6 hours, and I haven't coughed once.
Well, you took Mucinex DM 12 Hour, right? It gives you 12 full hours of cough and chest congestion relief.
Really? 12 hours? That means you still get to enjoy another 6 hours of me singing road trip songs.
Yay.
Mucinex DM tablets have one immediate release layer and one long-lasting extended release layer to provide cough and chest congestion relief for a full 12 hours. Buy Mucinex DM 12 Hour now for 12-hour cough and chest congestion relief. Use as directed.
What if I told you there was a way to step into another gear for your brain and be much sharper, more focused, and improve your memory to a level that you could only dream about, and notice these results in 30 minutes? Hard to believe? Neuroscientists are calling this new brain discovery the biggest advancement in brain science to date. It's called Limitless, the brain pill of the future. Take it, and within 30 minutes, you'll transport your mind to a new level of focus and clarity you would have never thought possible.
I took Limitless and it started working in minutes. All of a sudden, it felt like a dark cloud had been lifted up right before my eyes. I have a mental clarity I've never felt before.
Phys-execs, athletes, teachers, and students are calling Limitless a secret weapon for the brain. You have nothing to lose, so call now and find out how to get a free bottle today.
Find out how to get your free bottle of Limitless. Call 800-605-4757. That's 800-605-4757. Get your free bottle for a limited time. Call now, 800-605-4757, 800-605-4757.
You're going to hear a lot of campaign promises this year. They're all going to vow to make your life better, easier, and more prosperous. But there's only one name that can keep that promise: Mr. Holland's Home Services. And we believe you are the perfect candidate to fill an opening on Mr. Holland's Comfort Cabinet, the highest honor bestowed upon HVAC technicians, plumbers, and electricians. We're creating jobs, improving your personal economy, and creating a climate of change for the better. If you're dependable, punctual, polite, and eager to learn, you're in the running, mate. Cross the aisle and join the honest, hardworking, family-friendly team at Mr. Holland's Home Services. Forget the pandering political pledges. All newly elected representatives of Mr. Holland's Home Services are entitled to sign-on bonuses and a bevy of beneficial benefits. So if you're ready to bring the heating and air, plumbing and electrical power to the people, declare your candidacy for a new career. Apply today at MrHollandsHomeservices.com. Mr. Holland approves this message.
Shop Menards today and save big money. Put the finishing touches in your kitchen or bathroom with a new faucet from Moen. Moen creates faucets that feature innovative technology and have a timeless aesthetic. Available in a variety of styles and finishes, find the perfect faucet for your home with Moen's wide selection of kitchen and bathroom faucets. Get the Mica 2-handle widespread matte black bath faucet for $149.99. Sale price is good through February 4th, now at Menards.
Save big money at Menards. With tens of thousands of satisfied patients across America, it's no surprise QC Kinetics gets 5-star reviews.
I'm feeling on top of the world because of QC Kinetics.
I'm able to do the things that I wasn't able to do for a long time.
I can recommend them highly. I would recommend QC to anybody.
QC Kinetics has changed my life.
I couldn't believe it. I honestly was skeptical, but the pain went from a 10 to a 0.
Real people with real lasting relief from joint pain.
QC Kinetics Regenerative Medicine is regenerating me.
It was super successful, and I recommend everyone seek out QC Kinetics as an alternative to surgery.
This non-surgical approach is definitely the future.
I tell as many people as possible. I am an ambassador. I love QC Kinetics.
QC Kinetics, the nation's leader in advanced...
wanted to look, see how much air pump would be. Well, here's an interesting one. Comes with 3 needles, and the pump has a gauge. Not sure how you use it. or just get the old-fashioned kind, just where you hand pump it. I had one of these. I don't know what I did with it. Lost it. Look at this, $8.29 for 6 of these needles. Why would you want 6 of them? Unless you're one of those people that loses things all the time. Speaking of pumps, though, the thing I wanted to check out was see if they have any kind of portable air pump for your car tires. Have to go down by automotive, look for that. Okay. Question is, which aisle would I find something like that in? Here they just got oils and filters. This store probably don't have anything like that anyway. How much do they want for a windshield washer? Doesn't show a price. Huh.
Fill up, get more at Meijer Express with Essence. From now until March 2nd, earn 64 cents per gallon of gas with Meijer Express.
There's the price. $3.79. You used to be able to get that for like $1.99. No thanks. Could use a little step ladder. They want $24.19 for just this little one. I could probably get it cheaper at Walmart. Yeah, some tools here. Stanley stuff. Look how much work gloves can cost. These are like rubbery latex type gloves or something. $24.99 for that. And here you got some of them even higher. $33.99. There's some cheaper ones. $7.99 for like a leather type. What I need is something that's kind of water resistant. I don't think that is. Of course, you know, when you get the good stuff, you got to pay for it. Painting supply. I doubt very much if they have any kind of air pumps here because they don't have a tire center here. But it's kind of fun just looking around. Yeah, see, this is, now we're getting into bathroom stuff and kitchen stuff. Shower heads. Well, let's go see what's new in electronics. There's some like power banks. $79.99. Holy moly. Seriously? Here's a cheaper one, $49.99. I tried to find a Garmin GPS system here, but they didn't have any last time I was over here. I don't think they sell those here.
Grab a Sister Gift donation card at checkout and join us in helping our neighbors in need.
Gaming stuff. Yeah, I'm not into gaming stuff, really. Yeah, they got some Muku, Roko, Ruku, whatever you want to call it. They got some walkie-talkies, phone cases, mounts for phones, and they still sell like those track phones, track phone, Cricket. Little fishies.
Hey, how are you? We just want to pick up two sorters.
These are cool. Goldfish, starfire, right? Very neat. Well, after looking around, this is about what this is what I'm gonna get. Not much. I didn't need much. But how much do you want to guess this will cost? Over 20 bucks. Just for this. Alright, let's go to the checkout. We'll find out what the total is. $19.25. Cheaper than I thought. Just under. Just under 20 bucks. It ain't too bad. Go home, have some lunch, watch the playoffs. Thanks for watching. See you next time.